Hello everyone and welcome back to Satoshi Speaks YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to review another awesome and a very amazing project which is known as Puppy Dex tool. So here we are on the website. I had already reviewed this token a few months ago and now they had released some of the amazing utilities. So this is basically to scan tokens, avoid scams as well as trade smarter are some of the utilities. Down here you can check out their token scanner utilities. Now live scan any BSC token instantly. They will show price, liquidity, FTV24 or change as well as the verification. Down here you can check out the details such as PuppyDex tool, instant crypto insights for BNB Chain tokens, a meme coin made by AI for the public token. Join the pack, our token inspired by the spirit of community with zero fees and endless fun, powered by AI, a token built by AI and ambition. Down here you can check out no taxes, fixed supply of 100 billion tokens as well as no burn and redistribution fees. So make sure you join their token as well. So now let's check out the utility. Just come here and you can check out the token scanner. So they had released this amazing thing. Here is the link. We will check it later into the video. So first of all, check why they had built it on BSC. So many crypto projects are on the BSC. So there are tools like this, but they are difficult to use, so they had made it easy. Just you have to put the contract address and it will show you each and everything. So you can check out all of the details about this utility on this page. So let's open the link. Just come here and you can check here on the top they had given us the link. So just click here and it will open the link, and here you can check out the link. Here we had to enter the address and each and everything will be shown. So let's come on to the coin market cap and use any of the token of BSC. Just click here BSC and then we had to select any of the token. For example, let's select this humanity protocol and come down here and select the address of the Binance Smart Chain, copy here and come on to the scanner, and then we had to enter the address. Just paste the address here and click on scan button, and let's wait, and here you can check out all the details are given here: the name, symbol, price, 24 hours change, as well as the liquidity, FTP, contract verification. Each and everything is shown here. So this is really a useful and amazing utility. So make sure you join this amazing utility of this amazing product and make sure to check out this amazing product as well. So if you like the video, give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to this channel. I will meet you soon. So till then, take care and have a nice day.